sing, and it means everything to me. I found the truth. I found this church. I found a place so filled with love and amazing grace.
Words that describe First Coast MCC are
Christ-centered,
outstanding,
incredible,
blessed,
loving,
God-smacked,
spiritual,
empowering,
inclusive,
friendly,
glorious,
community outreach,
nurturing,
charismatic,
inspiring,
lively,
strength,
accepting,
yeehaw,
affirming,
freedom,
supportive,
diverse, rejoiceful,
amazing,
wonderful,
evolving,
family,
phenomenal.
living our faith. First Coast Metropolitan Community Church.